Experiencing issues with your ThinkPad docking station on your Mac? You're not alone. While Lenovo docks are primarily designed for Windows, using them with Macs often leads to compatibility problems, especially with USB-C Thunderbolt connections. Common issues include display failures, no external monitor via HDMI DisplayPort, and non-functional USB ports. This stems from differences in how Lenovo implements USB-C and Thunderbolt protocols compared to Apple's stricter requirements. Lenovo acknowledges Mac support as best effort, lacking dedicated Mac drivers. About 40 to 50% of users report problems. Proprietary Lenovo protocols, like OneLink Plus, can cause device recognition failures, so it's not always plug and play. But there are potential fixes to try. If your ThinkPad dock isn't working on your Mac, start with a firmware update. Download the latest firmware for your dock from Lenovo's website, looking for version 1.2.0 or later. This addresses USB-C alternate mode issues for video. Ensure your macOS is up to date, as newer versions improve USB-C device recognition. In macOS system preferences, check that your external monitor is detected. You may need to manually detect displays. Resetting your Mac's system management controller or parameter RAM can resolve USB port issues. If Ethernet isn't working, try a USB-C to Ethernet adapter. Use USB-C cables rated for 100 watts or more power delivery. Be careful not to overload the dock with too many power-hungry devices to prevent overheating. If these steps don't work, consider using a dock specifically designed for Macs, like those from Anker or CalDigit.